Why hurricanes are named. Hurricanes are named because it makes it easier to talk about the storms and warn people about the dangerous ones. Remember, there can be more than one hurricane happening at a time. The naming of hurricanes started in 1950. At first, they used simple names like Abel or Barker or Charlie. Then weathermen used to name them after politicians they didn't like. Then in 1979, they started to use girls' names too. Who names hurricanes? An international committee of world meteorologists have made 6 lists that they reuse every 6 years, unless a storm creates a lot of damage. Then the name is retired forever, like Hurricane Hazel or Hurricane Katrina. Here's an interesting fact about hurricanes. In 2005, the names made it all the way up to W. And the only letters not ever used are Q, U, and Z. Wouldn't it be fun to have a hurricane named after you? I thought so.